And let's take stock of markets here. And after days of volatility, Asian markets paused for breath, with Asian shares today edging up and gold slipping slightly as investors watched conflict in Ukraine unfold and weighed its economic implications, mainly regarding energy prices. Global share markets have tumbled in recent days following Russia's invasion of Ukraine and Western allies ramping up of sanctions, including cutting off some of Russia's banks from SWIFT financial network and limiting Moscow's ability to deploy its $630 billion foreign reserves. In crude markets, Brent crude futures were up 0.63% to $98.59 per barrel. The benchmark touched a 7-year high of $105.79. This after Russia's invasion of Ukraine that began last week. The markets claimed as US and allies discuss a coordinated release of crude stocks in a bid to mitigate any disruption of oil and gas supplies from Russia. Currency markets, they were also fairly quiet today, with euro back at around $1.12 after tumbling as low as 1.11210 yesterday. Russia's ruble steadied after plunging as much as 30% to a record 1.2 per dollar after Western countries and allies slapped Russia with new sanctions. But following action by Russia's central bank, it last traded at 102 per dollar. Spot gold was 0.3% lower at $1,902 an ounce, having risen as high as 1973 last week. Indian markets are shut today on account of religious festival of Mahashivratri. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.